Hi everybody. Today we're looking at a 1-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot D-6 in Carteret Mobile Park. We are a land lease community in Carteret, New Jersey, in the heart of Middlesex County. This house has also been sold, similarly to the last video, but again, this will give you an idea of what one of our houses looks like in our community. Let's take a look. At the front, you can see this house comes equipped with outside electric and water, and it has those two entrances. The one on the right leads directly into the living room and kitchen, and the other one leads directly in front of the laundry area. Now let's take a look inside. The first thing you'll notice is this really nice kitchen. All the appliances are stainless steel, and they come with a warranty through the manufacturer. Throughout the house, we have that really nice dark wood grain flooring. You'll see in the corner there, we have central air conditioning in this home. Along with that, all the windows are thermal pane, making this an energy efficient home. The appliances as well are also ENERGY STAR certified. There you can see the fan that adorns the living room. All of the appliances in this house are also ENERGY STAR certified. Here's this really spacious fridge. We have the subway tile backsplash and these really nice countertops. The cabinets have this really pretty gray stain. A lot of our tenants love the farm sink here. I think it does really well for this kitchen. Here's the stove oven combination. There's also a little heating section at the bottom. And the microwave. Let's make our way to the bathroom. So we'll stop real quick. This is our furnace. Both the air conditioning and heat comes from here. We've got the bathroom in here. The countertop in the bathroom is a bit darker than in the kitchen, and I think it does a really good contrast against the white mirror and the white sink. The shower itself has double seating. Finally, let's make our way to the master bedroom. So on the way there, you can see this area, which is where your stackable washer and dryer would go. You've got the outlets at the bottom there. And here's the master bedroom. So you can see that closet in the corner there. It runs the whole length of the wall. The door on the right is where your water heater is. Here's a little peek into the closet. And that little outlet there is the access to the house shutoff valve. On the window here we have custom curtains. And here's the water heater. We like to give you a door for it. It makes it look a little bit nicer. Usually people put some furniture in front of it because you don't need access to it at all times, but it's nice to have. Lastly, this is the electrical box, and we already have everything named for you. And if you'd like to inquire about one of our homes, go to myhomeincarteret.com. And you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the process, and it will add you to our email list that lets you keep up to date with our other houses available. So I'll leave you with the pictures of the house, and everything about this house is also listed in the description. So I hope to hear from you soon.
This house was built by Dolan Homes Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1-bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.